Okay. Now I'm taking you. Now I'm showing you how people alight from the train. This is how people they get out of the train. Very patiently. People getting out of the train. Hivi ndio watu wanatoka ndani ya train. Watu wanatoka polepole, watu wanatoka tena train polepole na wengine wanaingia. People are getting off the train and this is another station or another stage. And something which I want to explain to you people here in this developed country, you can connect the train. So this is the train here. This is the train which is going, and you can connect this train with underground train. Show you how now people are heading there, underground train to connect. Watu wanashuka wanaenda kuingia kwa train ambayo kwamba inaelekea chini ya ardhi. Train ambayo kwamba inaelekea chini ya ardhi. Train ambayo kwamba inaelekea chini ya ardhi. People are going to take underground train so that they can connect to other places or different places here. So we are getting off the train, the regional train up, then we are going down to the underground train to connect. Connection, okay. This is where people are lining for ticket. This is where people this is where the train underground train is located. Huku ndio train ya ardhini inapatikana. Sasa ile ticket ambayo kwamba ulipanda na train, the same ticket that you took and you used during the original train at the train, then you can still use it here. Yeah, okay. This is the ticket here. Now heading to underground train. People are getting off and some are getting in. We are heading to the underground train now. Tumeenda kwa train chini ya ardhi. We have reached where we're going to wait here for a while so that the train can come. And this is the track. This is the track for underground train, and people are waiting here. People are waiting here. And the train will come an interval of every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes. So please like, share, and hit a notification bell, and please subscribe. You can subscribe so that we make this channel active. Okay. Anytime from now, the train will come. Anytime from now, the train will come. Wakati wowote train inaweza kuja, na train inakuja baada ya kila dakika 2 ama 3. Huku tuko chini ya ardhi. We are underground train. We are underground station where we are waiting to board a train. There's a lot of movement around here, as you can see. And the underground train also is an electric train. The train is coming. You see, the train is coming. The train is coming. Yeah. Train ndio imekuja, ndio tunaenda kuboard train sasa. Train ndio imekuja. Tunaingia ndani ya train sasa. So we are going to my final destination, but I will, when we reach there, I will show you how we disembark. So now in the train ya ardhini. Kwa sasa tutafikia hapa kikomo, kisha baadaye tutaonyesha vile tunashuka. Unaweza kusubscribe hii channel, share, na kama una jambo unaweza kufanya nini, kuuliza pale kwa comment. Kwa sasa tuachana hapo, and then baadaye nitawaeleza vile watu kutoka kwa hii train kuelekea sehemu mbalimbali. Train yenyewe inaenda na mbio sana ya ardhi, si mchezo. Kumbuka kule juu kuna manyumba, kuna magorofa, kuna nini kule juu. Hii train inatembea chini ya ardhi. This train is moving under the ground and in a very speed. It is an electric train. Train yenyewe imeandikwa sehemu ambapo kwamba watu wanashukia huko juu. People are getting off the train in one of the train stations. Okay. Okay, you hit a notification bell to subscribe and drop a comment. Even like this video. Thank you so much.